In this video, I'll break down exactly how prediction market works on Myriad. But before we dive in, if you find our tutorial videos helpful, please do well to support our channel by buying our educational token Wiki Cat. Wiki Cat is built on the Binance Smart Chain and the contract address will be in the description below. Now let's dive in. Open your browser. We'll be using Trust Wallet browser for easier access. Open your browser, then head to myriad.markets. Tap on sign in at the top to connect your wallet. Choose your preferred wallet, then approve in your wallet. Sign. So we have successfully connected our wallet. Now let's deposit funds. Myriad Markets uses bridged USDC for all trading. But if you only have USDT or USDC in your wallet, Myriad's built-in bridge will handle the cross-chain swap from USDT on BNB or any other chain to bridged USDC on abstract chain, all in one transaction. Now tap on deposit at the top. Tap on from a crypto wallet. Now select the token you want to bridge. Tap on it, then select the token. Let's bridge USDT. Tap on USDT. Now input the amount you want to bridge. Let's bridge $5. Now just tap on review bridge. Then tap on start bridging. Now you need to approve in your wallet. Sign. Approve. So we have successfully bridged the USDT on BNB chain to bridged USDC on abstract chain. Just tap on done. Now let's go back to the interface. Now let's trade a prediction market. So these are different events you can trade on Myriad Market. We have crypto, we have sport, politics, economy, gaming, and so on. When you tap on any one, you will see predictions based on that event. Let's tap on crypto. Now you see predictions based on crypto events only. So here is how it works. This one says Bitcoin's next move. Will it pump to $100,000 or dump to $69,000? Now, if you feel it will pump to $100,000, you choose 100K. But if you feel it will dump to $69,000, you choose 69K. The market odd shows that there is a 61% chance that it will pump to $100,000 and a 39% chance that it will dump to $69,000. And there are currently 468 traders participating in this event. The total volume is $48,000. Now you just need to pick a side. Just tap on the event. Now you can see the price history for this prediction and the event rules. Just take your time to go through the rules before placing any bets. Now let's choose a side. Let's pick 100K. Now just enter the amount of USDC you want to use. Let's use $10. Now you can see your number of shares, which is 15.97 and 5.97 as your profit if you turn out to be right. But if you are wrong, your shares becomes worthless. So just tap on buy, confirm trade, then approve in your wallet. So you need a little bit of Ether on abstract chain for gas fee. Ether is the native cryptocurrency of Ethereum blockchain and its layer 2 networks. You can get it on Abstract Portal. Just head to abs.xyz, select Enter Portal, tap on wallet icon at the bottom, choose funds, then bridge. So just tap on approve. Approve. So that was successful. We have successfully bought 15.97 shares of $100,000 BTC, which means we placed a bet that BTC will pump to $100,000. Now let's go back to see your shares. Scroll up. Now you can see your position. You can see your total number of shares, the current value, your profit, and your loss. You can choose to sell your shares at any time. Just tap on sell. Input the amount you want to sell, then approve in your wallet. The process is the same for different events. Just choose the event you want to trade, select the outcome, then place your trade. So that's how to trade predictions on Myriad Markets. I hope this video has been very helpful. If you have any questions, kindly drop it in the comment section and the team member will be available to answer your questions. Like and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more educative content. Thanks for watching and see you in our next video.